Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Audi A4 B8 fog light grille. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a suitable screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and cool before starting any work to maintain safety. This process is essential for accessing components behind the grille, whether for maintenance, repair, or simply upgrading your vehicle's appearance. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, carefully locate the attachment points for the fog light grille. These are typically a combination of clips and screws. Using your trim removal tool, gently begin to pry around the edges of the grille, applying even pressure. It's crucial to work slowly and methodically to prevent any damage to the surrounding paintwork or the plastic components of the grille itself. Patience here will save you headaches later. Once the initial clips are loosened, feel for any additional hidden clips or screws that might still be securing the grille. These are often located deeper within the housing. With all fasteners released, gently pull the entire fog light grille straight out from its housing. Avoid twisting or forcing it. Take a moment to inspect the area behind the grille for any accumulated debris or potential damage that might need attention. To reinstall, simply reverse the removal process. Align the grille carefully with its opening and push it firmly back into place until you hear all the clips engage securely. Double-check that it's flush and stable. For a perfect fit, ensure no gaps remain around the edges. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This ensures your Audi A4 B8 looks great and is ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.